Juja outperformed other towns, recording an annual capital appreciation of 8.7, mainly attributed to speculations in the area, as the neighboring areas such as Ruiru, the prices in the market have already matured. The worst performing was mainly Utawala, where prices stagnated as the price growth had in previous years been driven by speculations, and now investors are shifting to other towns such as Limuru and Thika, where it is undergoing infrastructure development.
We've seen Kenya having a positive demographic that boosts real estate in terms of population growth at an average of 2.6% per annum, compared to a global average of 1.2%, and also rapid urbanization. A lot of towns are coming up, so we have an urbanization rate of 4.4% compared to a global average of 2.1%. Then this, coupled with the rising middle class who are seeking to buy homes, increases the demand for land.